everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Friends.
Hi, everyone. I am Ben.
And I am Emma, and we are so happy you are here with us today.
Yeah, really. Thank you for listening.
So, Ben, how are you feeling today? Travel mood or home mood?
Travel mood, but also a little bit scared, to be honest.
Oh, scared already. Haha. What is going on?
I am planning a trip, and I am honestly terrified of checking into a hotel in English.
Ah, there it is. That is our pain point.
Exactly. I always think, what if I do not understand the receptionist? What if I say something rude?
Oh, yes, that is a big worry for many learners.
Last time I traveled, I just said, I want room, and pointed at my phone.
I want room. Very direct.
The receptionist looked a bit confused, and I felt so embarrassed.
Okay, so that is our topic for today. We are going to help you check into a hotel like a polite, confident traveler.
Oh, I really need this.
First, let me say this. Do not worry, Ben. Your hotel English is like your suitcase.
My suitcase?
Yes, right now it is a little messy inside. Clothes everywhere.
Wow, that is true, actually.
But if we fold the clothes and pack them in order, it feels simple and light.
So you mean I already have some words, but they are messy?
Exactly. Today, we will pack them in a nice order.
Nice. I want a neat English suitcase.
So, quick signpost for our listeners. First, we will talk about the basic hotel phrases. Then, we will do a real role play. After that, we will check your work, Ben. Finally, we will practice the sound and rhythm.
Good. I like knowing the plan.
All right, let us start with the most important idea. At the hotel, front desk, you are usually doing one main thing.
Checking in.
Yes, so a very useful sentence is, Hi, I would like to check in, please.
Hi, I would like to check in, please.
Great. Nice and calm. Not strong, not rude.
Before this, I always said, I want to check in.
That is not terrible, but I would like sounds softer and more polite.
Okay, so I should say, I would like, not I want.
Right. Now, second key thing. The hotel needs your name. So, you can say, I have a reservation under the name Ben.
I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Perfect. You can also say, the reservation is under the name Ben.
So maybe I can combine them.
Go for it.
Hi, I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Wow, that already sounds very natural.
Oh, that feels good.
Okay, so we just learned two important parts, the check-in sentence and the reservation sentence. Now, let us move into a real conversation.
Oh no, role play.
Yes, role play. Do not worry. I will be the hotel receptionist. You are the tired traveler.
That is easy. I am always tired when I travel.
All right, so we imagine you walk into the hotel. Ready?
I think so.
Welcome to Sunny Star Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello? I want room.
Aha, hold on, Ben. Here is our first little correction moment.
Oh no, I did it again.
It is okay. So, I want room is simple, but it sounds a bit too strong. Remember our soft sentence.
I would like to check in, please.
Exactly. Try again.
Hello, I would like to check in, please.
Perfect. Now add the name part.
I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Great. That is really clear. Let us do the start again from the hotel side.
Okay.
Welcome to Sunny Star Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Wonderful. That is our new version. Listeners, you can repeat it with Ben later.
It already feels more professional.
Now, the receptionist will often ask for something. Maybe your passport, your ID card, or your credit card.
Right, that scary moment.
I will show you a typical line. Could I see your passport, please?
Could I see your passport, please?
And you can answer, sure, here you are.
Sure, here you are. Simple.
Or, of course, here you go.
Nice. That sounds friendly.
Okay, so we just added one more step. Now we will continue the role play with that.
Let us do it.
Welcome to Sunny Star Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Great. Could I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Ben, I see your reservation for 2 nights.
Wow, that sounds so real.
See, you are doing great. Now, next common thing. You may want a special room, like a room on a high floor or a quiet room.
Yes, I always want a quiet room.
You can say, if possible, could I have a quiet room?
If possible, could I have a quiet room?
Very good. That sounds very polite and soft.
Before this, I said, give me a quiet room, okay?
That sounds a little like a movie villain.
Oh no, I was a villain guest.
Not anymore. So, listeners, quick signpost. We now have 4 key parts. 1, check-in sentence. 2, reservation sentence. 3, passport exchange. 4, room request.
My English suitcase is getting very neat now.
Exactly. Now, we will move to money questions.
Ah, the important part.
Many people want to ask, is breakfast included? Or what time is checkout?
Yes, I never know how to ask those politely.
Try this. Is breakfast included in the price?
Is breakfast included in the price?
Good. And another one. What time is checkout tomorrow?
What time is checkout tomorrow?
Perfect. You can also say, could you tell me what time checkout is?
That sounds very polite, but still simple.
Exactly. So now I want to move to our Ben's work analysis moment.
Oh, wow, like school?
A little bit, but more fun, I promise. Here is the task. I want you to imagine you arrive at a hotel after a long flight. You want a quiet room, and you want to know about breakfast. Make a short conversation with the receptionist.
Okay, let me try.
Go ahead.
Hello, I want to check in. I have reservation for Ben. Can you give me quiet room? And breakfast is free, yes?
Nice try. You used many useful ideas. Now let us do the analysis.
Uh-oh.
First, you said, I want to check in. Remember our softer sentence?
Right. I would like to check in, please.
Good. Second, I have a reservation for Ben. You missed one small word.
Oh, reservation.
Yes. I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Got it.
Third, you said, can you give me quiet room? Again, we want a little softer, and we need a.
Maybe, if possible, could I have a quiet room?
Excellent. And last, you said, and breakfast is free, yes?
Yeah, that sounds bad.
It is not terrible, but it is a bit strong. We can say, is breakfast included in the price?
Okay, let me try my new version.
Go ahead.
Hello, I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Ben. If possible, could I have a quiet room? And is breakfast included in the price?
Wow, that is beautiful.
Wow, I feel proud.
You should. So, listeners, quick recap. We looked at Ben's first try, then we fixed small parts, would like instead of want, a reservation, could I have, and is breakfast included?
Tiny changes, big difference.
Exactly. Now I want to talk about rhythm and pronunciation for one key sentence.
Okay, this part is always interesting for me.
Let us choose, I would like to check in, please.
Good choice.
When native speakers say this, the sound is very smooth. It is like a small wave. The words are not all strong.
Which words are strong?
The stronger beats are usually like and check in. So it feels like I would like to check in, please.
Oh, I can hear it. The other words are lighter.
Yes, I and would and to and please are softer and quicker.
So I should not say, I would like to check in, please, like a robot.
Exactly. Say it gently, like you are calm but a little tired from travel.
Let me try. I would like to check in, please.
Nice. Make the voice soft at the end on please.
I would like to check in, please.
That was great. Listeners, if you are at home, you can repeat after Ben 2 or 3 times. Soft voice, small wave, focus on like and check in.
Honestly, it feels more natural in my mouth now.
Aha, that is the goal.
Can we also do rhythm for I have a reservation under the name Ben?
Sure. Here, the important beats are have, reservation, and your name. The other words are lighter.
So something like I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Yes, you made reservation a bit longer, which is good. Just keep the whole sentence smooth, not choppy.
I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Perfect.
Wow, I can feel the difference.
Okay, so we just practiced rhythm for 2 key sentences. Now let us move to personalization.
Oh, this is where you ask me about my real life, right?
Exactly. Ben, think about your next trip. How will you use these hotel phrases?
On my next trip, when I walk to the front desk, I will not panic. I will say, hello, I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Nice.
If I want a quiet room, I will say, if possible, could I have a quiet room?
Good.
And then I will ask, what time is checkout tomorrow? And is breakfast included in the price?
That sounds like a perfect little script in your head.
Yeah, it is like my travel spell.
Yes, your travel English spell.
And the best thing is, it is simple. No long, crazy grammar.
Exactly. Simple, clear, polite.
I feel much less afraid now.
I am very happy to hear that. So, quick recap for everyone before we say goodbye. First, we learned a polite way to start. I would like to check in, please.
Second, we added the reservation line. I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Third, we practiced giving documents with, of course, here you are.
Fourth, we asked for a special room. If possible, could I have a quiet room?
Fifth, we asked about details. Is breakfast included in the price? And what time is checkout tomorrow?
And finally, we played with rhythm, so the sentences sound soft and natural.
Exactly. Now, homework time.
Oh no, homework!
Easy homework. Dear listeners, your homework is this. In the comments, write your own mini hotel check-in script.
Yes, just 3 or 4 sentences.
For example, you can write your name and how many nights you will stay, and if you want a special room.
You can start with, "Hello, I would like to check in, please."
Then add, I have a reservation under the name, and put your own name.
And you can add a room request or a question about breakfast or checkout time.
We would love to see your sentences, and you can also read other comments and learn from them.
We are all learning together.
So Ben, last question. How do you feel about hotel check-in English now?
Honestly, I feel ready. I still feel a little nervous, but now I have my phrases, my rhythm, and my English suitcase is more organized.
Aha! That is exactly what I wanted to hear.
Thank you, Emma.
And thank you, everyone, for listening today.
If this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who is traveling soon.
And do not forget to follow or subscribe so you do not miss our next travel English lesson.
All right, that is it from us.
This was Easy English Friends.
And we will talk to you again very soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.